Hey guys, Dr. Ray Marque here, your local chiropractor and back pain relief center. Today we're here with Joe. Joe's been a long-time patient. It's been quite a while now, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we help Joe manage his neck and back pain. And he works really hard, so we're going to loosen him up and get him to feel a little better. But right now, it's going to feel around for any restrictions in his spine, areas that may be causing him some discomfort or not working properly. What I always do, I always kind of loosen up the spine by using this, it's kind of like a mini, I don't know what you call it, a massager or adjuster, so just loosening up the joints, breaking up any adhesions or scar tissue that may be there. Watch his boots.
Comfortable.
Yeah, look how. Just gonna loosen the muscles up a little more, bring some blood flow to the surface, make for an easier adjustment. Shine him up a little bit. We're gonna check his leg length. Whoa! His hips off. Alright, so I'm going to use a drop table, and what we're doing is just pushing his pelvis back to where we need it. The pelvis misaligns to make the lumbar dysfunction. Bend your legs for me, please. Alright, deep breath. And out. This might hurt just a little bit. Good. 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 Back down. Just on your back. Long days out on the farm?
Yes, sir.
Is that right?
Long, hot.
So we're going to do a cervical adjustment. So I'm going to find the areas of restriction there. We're going to bring them over. Good. Good. Come on up. Nice and easy. Sit on the edge here. This next adjustment is called an anterior. And what we're going to do is adjust his mid and low back. Nice and tight. Come on back. Good, nice one. Good. All right, there you go. That's one of our live adjustments. Thanks for allowing everybody to watch. See you guys next time.